S and K nail gun. Not shooting every nail. Missing again. Right, she's missing a lot of nails, and a lot of air coming out back here. This here back comes off, this whole thing. Get a 24mm spanner on here. And she's a tight fit. They don't like to come off. Now, O-ring for a start. So that's not sitting right. She's fairly dirty as well. You can see that piston wasn't coming back. So this wasn't getting a proper seal. I wonder. Yeah. That's the cause. See the mark on it? It was lying over. It's been stretched out. It was pinched. It wasn't getting a proper seal. So I'll give us a good wash down now. Clean all this out. Piston doesn't look healthy either. What was that? Well, that's another problem. That's actually super glue. That is the real problem. That's super glue. Somebody's actually already broken this O-ring. Look at the wear that's on it. It's not even round anymore. It's totally flat on one side. So that wore out and snapped. I just glued it back together again. It does work, it functions for a while, but only for a while. So clean this down. We'll see if we have an O-ring, 2 O-rings for this here. Now, it's them nice and clean. Don't need the blade. I don't have very many O-rings left, but I have enough. One of them, one of them. As soon as we have it, we'll change the top one as well. The rest back out. Remember to order new ones. As nail guns go, these S and K ones, they're not the most expensive. They're sort of a budget, cheap and cheerful one. Not a true cheap and cheerful. You can still get parts for them. They're a decent gun for the money. They're quite cheap. But when you need parts, you do have to wait for them. You can get the parts, but you do have to wait. Might take a while to come on just. I only stock some of them here in the workshop. Normally keep stuff for this one, but don't have any left now. Sounds better already. A wee bit of grease on them beforehand. Let's get rid of that one too. This can also break, but you'll know because it'll become very, very brittle. This one's still quite ductile, it's alright. That's that. Hopefully that's all she should need. We test fire now. This clip has broke at the bottom, but I simply haven't got one. Not the wee rubber boy here, but still functions without it. Test her out. That's her. One S&K FN0034 roofing gun, up and running again.